Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we got this 2015 Duramax here that we're going to be installing a BD diesel throttle sensitivity booster. So come along and we'll show you how to get it done. So when you open the box, this is what you're going to find. You're going to find your controller, the wire on it, and the plug that plugs into the throttle position sensor. You're also going to find a pad of sticky tape to mount the controller, some zip ties, and alcohol swabs so you can clean where you mount your controller. And then, as always, there is also a little sticker in here. And the instructions as well. So to install these is super simple. You basically shut the truck off, let it sit for 5 minutes for the ECM and everything to power down, unplug the throttle position sensor, plug this harness in, so one end goes into the factory harness, one end goes into the throttle position sensor, and then run the cord away from everything so it's not going to get bound up in the throttle. And then mount your controller, turn the key on, sweep the pedal, and all the lights will flash on the controller. And then just set the mode you want with your up-down buttons and go for a ride. So let's get under the truck, get this done, and take it for a drive. So this right here is the throttle position sensor plug. Now this gray piece right here, to get that out, you just take a flat screwdriver, pull it in there, or push it in there, and pull back. And then once that is unlocked, you push in on the tab, and it unplugs. So there's a little tab right there. Just push in on that, and then you just unplug it. So to install, you just take your one end of the harness on the controller, plug it into the factory harness, push this gray clip back in, like that, and then the other end of the plug goes into the throttle position sensor, and then you just lock your gray pin in like that. So now for the wire, we're going to have to zip tie that up in the dash somewhere so that it's not in the way when you go to use the pedals and stuff like that. And then we're going to run our little controller and mount it up around the steering wheel somewhere. So let's get that zip tied up and get the controller mounted, and then we're pretty much done. So then once you have everything plugged in, you could run the wire down before you plug everything in and mount the control unit, or you could plug it in first and then mount the control unit. So once it is plugged in, then all you do, turn the key on, sweep the accelerator pedal slowly, all the lights will flash, and now turn the key off. So once you have this mounted, you just pick which level you want and away you go. So let's get the cord wrapped up, let's get this thing mounted with the patch of two-sided tape that came with it, and we're done. So that's it for this video, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook. And we're going to have some big changes coming to the shop in the next week or so, so stay tuned for that. Thank you, and have a good one.